In our last video, we talked about the importance of building your team. Now that you have your team in place, you're ready to find a venue for your debate. Debates in town halls can occur in any number of venues: auditoriums, large lecture halls, school gyms, cafeterias, public libraries, places of worship, or performing arts centers. You'll want to ask if venues will offer the space without charge or even partner with you as venue host. Some organizations are willing to lend their space or get involved during elections as long as your event is educational and nonpartisan. You'll also want to see if they can accommodate a tech run. Your debate could also take place outside, but then you'll want to consider the weather and think about setting a rain date. When considering venues, you should think about how audio and video will be affected by the layout. Sound and lighting will vary depending on the venue. So these are important issues to think about, especially if you plan on live streaming or broadcasting the debate. You'll also want to start reaching out to venues early because they can book up quickly. A venue's availability might end up deciding on what day and what time your debate is going to take place. You'll want to start reaching out to venues early because they can book up quickly. A venue's availability might end up deciding what day and time your debate is going to take place. When looking for a venue, you'll want to take into account a number of factors, including venue capacity. You'll want to make sure as many people as possible can attend the debate. Location. The venue should be centrally located in the neighborhood or riding and easily accessible by public transit. Seating. The venue should have chairs to use on site. Tables. The venue should have several tables for the candidates and moderator and for organizers who are checking in attendees. Live streaming capabilities. Many venues have a sound system, Wi-Fi, and everything else you'll need to have a successful live stream, but make sure to check. Accessibility. You'll want to find a venue that is accessible for all, regardless of mobility. Cancellation. Things happen. Make sure that you know what your venue's cancellation policy is in advance. You're on your way to finding a great venue. Now let's talk about inviting your local candidates.